Guys, what is going on? It's me. It's Marlon Bennett, guys, and I'm back for another Stacking Traffic YouTube video. I'm back to what you guys knew was inevitable, guys. We got to get into this, right? For anybody who's never started to build their own list, this is what this video is all about. It's the first video you're going to actually find in the Stacking Traffic membership. And so we're going to talk about it. And so if you haven't ever started building your own list, if you always wondered about building your own list and you wanted to, and you, I don't know, for one reason or another, you never got around to it, then we're going to cover how you could actually start building your own list, okay? And so it's really simple and easy, guys, and we're going to walk through a few simple steps. I will tell you guys that I'm going to show you guys how to do this inside of the Leads Leap platform. So if you're not a member of Leads Leap, you might want to go and set yourself up a Leads Leap account. You follow me along. All the videos will be housed on your left-hand side inside of the membership. And this is video 1. We're talking about stacking traffic. And it's actually a list building challenge. Okay, I want you guys to challenge yourself, right, to doing some things, right, getting in a place, in a space if you're brand new, right, doing some things that you might be a little uncomfortable with, but doing some things that will actually enable you to create that skill set that can pay you for the rest of your life, okay? And it starts with, in my mind, and what I do, video marketing, email marketing. So it's a really simple and easy process, and I want you guys to watch the whole series. You'll find the entire series on the left hand side of the membership, or at the top, depending on how you're entering into the membership. But it'll also be on the Stacking Traffic YouTube video channel as well, right? So again, if you're brand new and you're a person who always, you know, you see all these, all these people, we're always talking about list building, list building, list building. Well, it's the cornerstone of the Stacking Traffic YouTube video channel. It's the cornerstone of my email marketing business. It's the cornerstone of how I automate everything that I do through email marketing. And it all starts with a simple lead capture page. Now, I was going to kick this video off by talking about serendipity, right? And my wife was just trying to explain serendipity to me. And I didn't really get it, right? So what I will start this video out with, guys, is talking about expectation, okay? Let's talk about expectation, because the universe is a very, very funny thing, right? The universe has this uncanny way of giving back to you exactly what it is you expect. Okay, the universe is, and then my wife says serendipitous, but in my mind, the universe just has this uncanny way of giving you back exactly what it is you expect. And so my question for you today is, what are you expecting, right? And be careful, guys, with the answer, all right? Because serendipity, right? The universe has this crazy way of giving you exactly the thing that you expect. So to just keep it simple, guys, expect great things to happen, right, in your life, in your internet marketing endeavors as an entrepreneur, okay? Because serendipity is waiting on the other side for you guys, and the universe is waiting for you too. Okay, so guys, let's get over to where we're going to start talking about how to create your own list. And because that starts with a lead capture page, that's going to be video 1. We're going to talk about how to start building your own list, but you have to create yourself a lead capture page in order to do it, right? And so the cool thing about Leads Leap, or the cool things about Leads Leap, is absolutely free to join. So there's no points of contention, no points of resistance. It's not going to cost you anything to go inside of the Leads Leap platform and set yourself up an account. Absolutely free. So once you do that, you'll have instant access to a page that looks exactly like the page you're looking at right now. And so you can see there are quite a few lead capture pages, enough for you to get started with, right, to start the list building process with your own lead capture pages. I can tell you guys that there are going to be thank you pages inside here, review pages inside here, sales pages inside here, download pages inside of here. So look, hey, if you're going to create a skill set, right, that can pay you for the rest of your life, then you got to be willing to step out and do the things you need to do and set the wheels in motion, right? So before you can even do that, guys, you have to create the Leads Leap account. And I'm going to leave a link below this video inside the membership, below this video inside the YouTube channel. So you guys can go on and you'll find this link, and you can create an account from this link, okay? And so once you created the account from this link, guys, I want you guys to get inside your membership. Okay, and you're going to have a dashboard that looks like mine, right? It looks exactly like this. And it's a really simple process for creating that first lead capture page. I'm going to see, can I walk through it real quick, right? And you guys can kind of follow along, or just, I wouldn't say rewind the tape, right? Just go watch the video and make sure you understand, and just go ahead and do that, guys. Go ahead on and set yourself up a free account. And then I want you to go in, right, with great expectation, knowing you're going to finish this, right? And set yourself up your first lead capture page. So step one would just be to add a new page. And so you would just click add a new page. And then you would just name it. So this is video 1. All right? Set up your own lead capture page. Well, let me go back. Right? So we just call it video 1. Because you can name your lead capture page anything you want. You have to name it. So name it, and then go add new. Okay? And because my computer's a little upset with me right now, because I've been doing so many videos, guys, it might be a little slow. But look, okay, so once you've done that, guys, you've added the new page, and we called it video 1, right? So now, the only thing we have to do, guys, is to come over here and add a new design to start. Let's go to add a new design to start. And again, just because my computer's a little upset with me, because I can't even remember how many videos I've done this week. So we're gonna go add that new design to start, and hopefully after my computer kind of settles in with me, it'll load the page up, right? And so hopefully we can get over there, guys, with some expediency, if it in fact let me in. So while I'm waiting, guys, for my computer, my computer's usually waiting on me. Okay, well, I think we're almost there. I was going to ask you guys a question, something I was just curious about, right? So let's go down and kill some time while the page is loading. I'm going to try to bring it up one more time. And I want to ask you guys well, it's up now, guys. So after you go to add a new, it's some new terminology inside of Leads Leap. It's add a new design and stuff. So we'll talk about share codes later, guys. Okay, we're just gonna go over here to add a blank page design, because we're not yet getting into the share codes. Although I've covered it, we're not into that just yet. So once you go to add the new page to start, right down here where it says launch the editor, that's what you want to do. You want to launch the editor. And after you launch the editor, then the screen is going to open up, and it's going to actually give you a variety of lead capture pages that you could actually choose from. So maybe it's going to take a minute. So maybe I can ask you guys the question that I wanted to ask you guys. I'm just curious about something, guys, that happened to me. Oh, well, actually, it didn't happen to me, but I want to know if it ever happened to you, right? I was at was a shell of a mall now, because they closed the mall down, and I went in to get something, because there are a few stores that still open inside of the mall, right? And we should be there in a second, guys. Bear with me. So when I came back outside, or the question should be, have you ever gone to the mall and come outside the mall and forgot where you parked? Did that ever happen to any of you guys? Right? And then you kind of try to play it off, and you go back to the entrance of the mall so you can kind of scout around and try to find your car without looking like you're totally lost. Did that ever happen to you guys? Okay, good. It never happened to me either. I just wanted to know, did that ever happen to any of you guys? So I was just curious. Okay, so anyway, once you do that, guys, what's going to happen is that page is going to populate, and then you'll be able to go inside of here, guys. This is what I want you to do. This is your mission, should you decide to accept it. Very simple. And you will select one of the templates that you want to use to create your first lead capture page. Remember, that's going to be the very first step, right, in terms of our list building, right? This is the list building challenge, video 1. So the very first thing you're going to do is create the lead capture page. Now, the order in which you do this can vary. Some people will say create your list first, then build, it's apples and oranges, guys. You can build your lead capture page first, right? And then we'll go in and we'll set up the list. But first, let's get the front door to the store set up, right? And so that's what the lead capture page is. You're gonna click the template of your choice, right? And you got a lot to choose from here, guys. And so click it, right? And it will come up in your browser so that you can actually get into the editing phase of the actual page itself. And so you'll see right here is where that editing takes place. And so this is where all that cool those cool captions that you're gonna create it's gonna come in. And I know you guys have heard me talk a lot about lead capture diversification, right? And so ultimately you're gonna want some lead capture diversification, and so ultimately you're gonna want to be able to create your own lead capture pages. It's really gonna come in handy, right? So when you're able to do it, you'll have that diversification. And so when you're able to come inside Lead for free, you can set these lead capture pages up for free. And so when you get ready to order, what did I say? Get ready to order. When you get ready to edit it, guys, just click right on where you want to edit. I just click the top box. Now I click the middle box. Now I click that box, even down to your lead capture page, because we're going to be talking about all of this in the next videos. But the point is, when you want to edit this page to speak to your particular target audience, any way you want to speak to them, right? Like whatever it is you're marketing and promoting, right? Whatever it is you want to get in front of your target audience for, then make sure that that's what you say, right? And so the template's already built out, and so you can go in and add it right there. Well, who else wants to steal my $100 a day secret? If you look off to the right, you'll see where I'm highlighting. This is where you could come in and do all that editing, right? So I'm going to back out a little bit so you guys can actually see that in real time. This is where the editing takes place. Same thing if you want to move something, right? You can move this wherever you want to move it, right? You could come up here, change this, but you just have to come to the edit. You're in the editing now, so all you have to do is click in the fields that you want to edit, and you edit it, right? And it's very simple. And so once you've created your own lead capture page, now you have the front door to your store. And that's really, really cool, guys, because really there's no limitation. You have no limits in terms of what you can go out and market and promote, right? And so now, right, you don't have to wait for anybody to create a lead capture page for you. Although, you guys know I'm creating some lead capture pages, right, that you guys going to have access to, which is the other cool thing about why you should become a member of Leads, because when you guys are finished, when I'm all said and done inside the membership, inside the training, inside the advertising portal, then you guys are going to get to see how this all really comes together, and how when we start talking about stacking traffic, how you literally can take your lead capture pages and start stacking the traffic, right? Because it's all going to be all set up. It's all going to be ready to go. And if you guys already know how to do this, of course, this video, it wouldn't pertain to you, right? But if you're brand new, it's exactly what you want to be doing, right? You want to be able to build your own emails, subscribers list. And guys, setting this up is as simple as everything that I just went to. And that's video 1 inside of the Stacking Traffic video series, right? Stacking traffic, the list building traffic. Your homework right now, tonight, I don't care where you are in the world, is to go in, sit down, set up a free Leads account, and go on and start playing around in the editor inside of Leads, right? Go on and start creating that skill set, right? It can pay you for the rest of your life, guys, okay? Thanks for sitting in on the video, and I'll see you guys on video 2. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Keep reaching for the stars.